Hey honey pots, guess what time it is? It's Birchbox time. So if you want to see what I received this month in my Birchbox, keep on watching. All right, honey pots, so this is an absolutely gorgeous box that we received this month from Birchbox, and when I opened it I just got so excited. I love the floral design. And what is it that they say? That they are going to feed our mind, body, and soul. So I'm going to start by pulling out the products. I'm kind of going through it a little bit fast instead of reading the postcard that I normally do, because you know, I know there's so many unboxings out there, and really and truly I hope you guys are tuning in to these unboxings to see what it is that I got, and if it's something I'm excited about, if it's something that you got in your Birchbox as well, were you excited about it? So the first thing I'm picking up is this product from Derma E. It's their hydrating night cream with hyaluronic acid, and I can tell you I'm very excited about this, especially since I have mature aging skin. This hyaluronic acid, and my skin is dry, that's gonna really help bring it back to a youthful appearance, but help with the hydration. The next thing I got is one of my absolute favorite in this particular perfume designer's line. It's Juliet Has a Gun, but the name of the perfume is not a perfume. But oh, it smells so delicious. I got this in my Scentbird, and if you haven't seen my Scentbird collection, I'll put a link up below so that I'll put a link here in the iCards and then also down below so that you guys can watch that. Let's see, the next thing I got is number 4 High Performance High Care, and this is a smoothing balm. If I'm not mistaken, it was either my last Birchbox or the time before that I got a bottle of this, or it might have been BoxyCharm, I'm not real sure, but I know that I have received something from this company before, and the name of that company is number 4. So I'll try this out. It says it's a smoothing balm, and as you see, I have my hair out today, so I'm real curious on how this would work with naturally curly hair that's like 4A, 4B hair. The next item is from Wander, and it's the Glotion Lotion Illuminatrix. Okay, it's got a lot of fancy schmancy names. So basically this looks like it's just an illuminator that you can use. Since it's a lotion, obviously you can use it on your face, but you could probably use it on your body as well. So I'm going to try a little on my hand, and we're gonna see just how much glow up we can get, because if you guys haven't seen the video that I did on Rihanna's new launch, I'll also link that up in the cards, and try to remember to link it down below. But you guys saw, I hope that you did, you guys saw how glowy that product is. And I just got my box from Fenty Beauty for the other body lava that Rihanna put out. Oh, that's a nice simple even glow. Yeah, that's a nice simple even glow. I hope you guys can see that. But anyway, I'll be doing that video real soon, showing you guys that. And last but not least, the last item is a eyeliner gel pencil from Smashbox in the color Fishnet, which obviously is a black. Oh wow, very soft and smooth. You guys can see that? This is going to be another eye pencil that I actually really enjoy. Now we're going to go over the prices real quick. This particular full size of the gel eyeliner is $18. Then if you got a full size of the Glotion, that would be $34. A full size of the number 4 smoothing balm would be 30 bucks. In order for me to pay 30 bucks for this, it has to be really good, so I'll come back and let you guys know. A full size of the perfume for Juliet Has a Gun will run you between $100 and $135. and I would pay that for this particular fragrance because I already own it and I love it. I love that fragrance. And last but not least is the Derma E Night Cream with hyaluronic acid for hydration, and that's only $29.50, which I think is a pretty good price for something for your skin. Now it does not tell me how many ounces the full size would be, but you know, you guys can work out the math between the number of ounces and how much it would actually cost to see if that's something that would fit into your budget, and also to see if it's something that you feel would actually be the cost would be effective. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got in my Birchbox. I have to say, out of all the products that I've gotten in my Birchbox, with the exception of this particular smoothing balm, because I'm up in the air about that, everything else I totally enjoy. The next item, which would be this, that would have a question mark, but it does have a nice pretty glow to it. It's very, 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 very subtle. But still it's nice. So having said that, honey pots, I want you to comment down below, of these products, which one or two or three or all five, which products was your absolute favorite, and which one would you like to receive in your Birchbox or even purchase. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, but most importantly, honey pots, stay well and stay beautiful. Bye.